Georgia will be dealing with tropical storm conditions. Now there is an extreme wind warning covering Thomas, Brooks, Lowndes, portions of
we have some bad weather here.
This does extend until 2 a.m. You will
Hurricane Helene.
Hurricane force winds.
It's like
above 100 miles an hour.
12 o'clock now.
That's going to cause
like 12:18,
destruction
and I can't go to sleep, man. So I'm gonna have to put this thing on YouTube, baby, because how they saying now, it's just reaching Tallahassee, so it's not like maybe 90 miles away. And now we have this trend here that's coming up. It's the eye is supposed to come right to the east of us, to the west of us, and we're on the west side, so I don't think it's going to be that bad. We hoping, praying, but this is what we're realizing right here. The wind gusts. Let's let you see a little of this.
Into North Georgia. Flash flood warning does cover several counties, including Mitchell, Grady, Coswig, as well as Thomas, Brooks, Lowndes, Lanier, Cook, and Berrien counties. That flash flood warning is in effect until early tomorrow morning. South Georgia is in a high risk area for flash flooding, and it is occurring and will continue to occur as we move into Friday morning. There is that threat for tornadoes, especially moving close to I-75 and then points off to the east. We had a few tornado warnings earlier in the evening. Since that time, it's been a lull, but still the potential is holding for tonight. Notice how
Albany,
the center of circulation is riding a bit closer to I-75 off toward the east. If you're in that eye wall and you get some calmness, do not go outside, because here's the back side of that wall. It will bring in more intense winds as well as heavy rainfall. Once again, this begins to lift out of our area just about 5 a.m. in the morning. And although the winds remain rather brisk, at least the threat for the severe weather is out of here, and we'll have the opportunity to go out and just survey what's left behind. Hurricane conditions will continue for tonight, especially as the eye of Helene tracks northward across South Georgia. Sustained winds, even wind gusts as high as 100 miles an hour. Those strong winds, even tropical storm force, and they'll be widespread, leaving behind widespread damage as we move on into tomorrow. Flash flooding remains a high probability, especially with those tropical downpours on saturated soils. We've been dealing with those outer rain bands since Wednesday evening, and as you can hear on the rooftop, rainy conditions are still holding, and those are tropical downpours coming down in buckets, and those amounts are gradually adding up. Some areas have already received more than 6 inches of rain. More is likely until early on Friday. Quinlan and Carla.
See what we're dealing with? And that's what got me sleepless right now, man. I can't rest right now because you don't know what's going on. It's like I'm supposed to get to us about 2 in the morning. Right now, just a little wind. Let's give you a quick little pan outside. So right now it's like a calm before the storm. You can't really tell. But I think I'm gonna stay up tonight, man. Just watch this storm. You know, really. They're telling you to get to an interior room in the house so you won't be near glass or any flying debris. So that's what brings the seriousness of this storm. You know, I rolled out Michael, but this thing they say is coming in at a Cat 4. That's why I put a little news footage on it so you could really understand the severity of this storm to South Georgia. And I'll just be periodically letting you see the progression of the storm that's coming in. You can see the rain drift off the street lights.